Hey, what's up guys? This is Rail Chief here and welcome back to another restoration video here on my channel. As always, my name is Mike and we have a really great show for you today. Now, as you all see on the screen in front of me here, we are going to be restoring this 2551 observation car, which was made by Lionel around 1957. Now, to give you guys a little bit of a quick trivia fact about these cars, Lionel didn't officially make them until 1952, mainly because they saw how well the AMT cars were selling back then, because AMT was actually the first company to introduce O-gauge aluminum passenger cars. Lionel also offered these cars in a bunch of different road names during the post-war period. The names that they offered were Santa Fe, Pennsylvania, and the Canadian Pacific. The Canadian Pacific passenger set is the rarest out of all the Lionel train sets. They also offered some presidential cars too as well. So now I'm just going to sit back and let the rest of the video do all the talking here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started on the restoration of the 2551. Now, I hope you all have enjoyed this little video that I put together. This was actually a lot of fun to work on, and I couldn't be happier with the results. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell down below for any other projects that I upload. And hopefully the next car that I work on is the Dome car. So make sure you guys keep an eye out for that. But until then, thank you all for tuning in, and I'll see you all in my next episode. Thanks again, and take care.